Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are using YouTube on your device and an error is this version of YouTube is out of date, if you are facing this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my steps. The first solution is check for operating system updates. First, a possible cause of this error is that your operating system is outdated. If your device operating system is too old, it may be no longer supported to the latest version of YouTube. So it is a good idea to check if there is an update available for your device operating system. Sometimes an operating system update can make newer version of app like YouTube available. For this, you have to go mobile settings and then click on the system updates and then check for updates. If any update is available, then update it and check the problem. If it is persists, then next solution is go to the Play Store and search here YouTube. Update any available of YouTube app, then update it and check the problem. If it is persists, then next solution is long press on the YouTube app and go to the app info icon. Click on it and then go to the storage and cache and then clear cache and storage one by one. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, the next solution is uninstall and reinstall YouTube app and check the problem. If it persists, then last solution is go to the browser and search here YouTube and you can use YouTube from here. So by these are possible way to fix the problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.